Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi 10. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. Firstly, let's go to settings. And now enter passwords and security. Now tap on screen lock and confirm with your current screen lock way. As you can see, we've got 3 types of screen lock: pattern, pin and password. Let's select password, because you've already seen my pin. And now let's go to pattern. We can also turn off our screen lock. But now let's go to fingerprint unlock. And let's add fingerprint. Our fingerprint sensor is on the right side of the screen. So let me scan my fingerprint. And now let's use it to unlock the phone. Great. Let's use face unlock this time. You have to scan your face like in the picture. Unfortunately, I can't load camera right now, but let me check permissions. Let me try again. As you can see, I can't load camera, but basically you have to scan your face just like you're doing a selfie. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.